Let's celebrate that efforts with warm claps and appreciation to the presenter of Bulletin for sharing the school's long year achievements with clarity and charm. And warm gratitude is extended to Principal Sushil Samarpita for her gracious present and inspiring introduction to annual report.
Good evening, everyone. Get ready to tickle your some funny bones because the next act is all about laughter, wit, and some perfectly timed mischief.
Yes, our talented friends Harshali Yadav and Gitansh Vishwakarma on stage will show us that humor can be both clever and contagious. As one writer said, laughter is the shortest distance between two people. Tonight, this performance bridge our hearts with giggles, chuckles, and hilarious expressions. So sit back, smile wide, and enjoy a rip-tickling comedy act by our incredible duo.
डॉक्टर साहब, आइए आइए, बड़े दिनों बाद आना हुआ। आपको तो मेरी दवाई खाकर बहुत पहले हॉस्पिटल आ जाना चाहिए था। अरे डॉक्टर बाबू, जरूर गलती से पेट में कुछ हेल्थी फूड या जूस चला गया होगा रे। नहीं तो आपको तो पता है, हर महीने अपने सैलरी का आधा हिस्सा आपके नाम से मैं अलग ही रख देती हूँ। हाँ पता है, उन्हीं पैसों से तो मैंने अपनी बीवी बच्चों के साथ दुबई टूर प्लान किया था, लेकिन एंड टाइम अब ठीक हो गई और पूरा प्लान चौपट करवा दिया। बताइए क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? डॉक्टर साहब, हुई तो गैस है। ओह दैट्स चीप। आई नो, पर अगर सोसाइटी में किसी को पता चल गया कि मेरे जैसी ब्यूटीफुल को लोअर मिडिल क्लास वाली बीमारी हुई है, तो सोसाइटी में मुंह दिखाने लायक नहीं रहूंगी रे। मेरे कहने का मतलब है, चेकअप करके कोई ऐसी बीमारी बताइए जिसका नाम सुनने में हाई क्लास वाले लगे। मैडम जी, आप बेफिक्र रहिए, हमारे हॉस्पिटल का रिकॉर्ड है। कोई भी पेशेंट यहाँ से ठीक होकर नहीं गया, आप कोई ना कोई बड़ी बीमारी ही कर लेकर जाएंगे। आपको तो भगवान देख लेगा।
A big round of applause for our performers for their sparkling wit, flawless timing, and the joyous laughter they brought to the stage. Their humor reminded us that joy is the heartbeat of every gathering.
Hello everyone, we are ready and excited because now our LKG stars are ready. August will twill, Charity Paris, and the boys on dance. We told their fun and mystery.
My teacher says the small dancers bring big magic. So get ready for the sparkle. Smile and the happiest move. For more LKG girls and boys.
A heartfelt appreciation to our little LKG stars for their adorable and energetic performance. Their cheerful steps, sweet innocence, and colorful joy lit up the stage and made every heart smile. Come on, everyone, let's clap loud and cheer for these tiny stars who filled the evening with pure delight.
Whenever we hear the word trophy, we imagine shining gold and a proud smile. But today's story reminds us that a real story is not on the shelf. It lives in our choices, honesty and kindness. Winning matter, but winning the right way matter more. As one writer said, a clear heart is the greatest medal you will ever wear. So enjoy this warm and meaningful act where a lost trophy leads to find values, presenting our trophy by our talented students.
In every young heart, there lies a spark that waits to shine, even though the darkest night. Tonight, we bring before you a journey of that spark, a story of fear and failure, of truth and compassion, of dreams and courage. This is not just a school play, it is the reflection of life itself, where trophies may fade, but values lights the way. Presenting from darkness to light.
This is the story of a student who discovered that the true victory in life is not in what they hold, but in what they become. So, dear friends, open your heart
Listen with your soul.
and walk with them.
From darkness to light.
Today is our annual day. It is already time for the celebration.
You know, I am the topper of the school and the award and trophy is mine. Ha ha ha.
Next year, I will get the trophy.
Hurry up, the principal may arrive any moment.
Hey Kabir, why this flower is hanging upside down?
So that the fragrance falls on the guest's head. Ha ha ha.
And if they slip and fell, the program will be unforgettable. Hey Arjun, are you ready for your speech?
I think so, but I'm scared. People will laugh at me.
If you were scared, I can speak instead. Everyone expects me to win anyway. Ha ha ha. Bol.
Vikram, everyone deserves a chance.
The real winner is the trophy itself.
Hey Kabir, where is the trophy? Bring it here.
Oh, it was there. I will bring. Oh no, the trophy, it's missing.
Hey Kabir, it is not the time to make fun. Are you serious?
Yes, it is not there.
Come, let us search.
Have you got the trophy?
No.
No.
Come, let us inform principal.
Vikram was proud and eager to get the trophy, but when he found it missing, he was disappointed. All the students were confused, so they decided to inform the principal.
May we come in?
Yes, come in.
Principal ma'am, our trophy is missing.
We searched it everywhere.
Now what we do?
Children, don't panic. Maybe this is not an accident, but a test. The real question is not where the trophy is, but can you sign without it?
Vikram was still angry and disappointed, all his expectations completely broken. The student remained worried, not knowing what to do next. Into that confusion, one guiding voice was about to enter. When hope seems lost, confusion fills young heart. A teacher's voice becomes the light.
It's useless. Without the trophy, the show is ruined.
Oh dear children, what is the problem?
Teacher, the trophy is missing.
My dear student, you search for a trophy that shines outside. But have you ever searched for the light within you? Let me show you the four lamps of life. Patience, dream, honesty and compassion.
I'm patience. People call me slow, but I'm the strength behind every great victory. Storms may shake trees, but the roots that wait survive.
Can my small steps really make a difference?
Everybody wants to reach fast, but I teach you to wait and work because small steps can move a mountain.
Oh, so even waiting has the power.
Yes, it can.
I am dream. Without dream, hearts stay empty. Without me, life is like a well without water. Dreams big, but never forget to work for it. Even broken dreams shine because they become the star.
But what if people laugh at my dream?
Let them laugh. One day, your dream will become the story they tell.
Show a sky open within her heart.
I am honesty. I walk slowly but never fall. Lies are like shadows, they disappear when the sun rises.
Sometimes I lie to look great.
Then you lose yourself even if you win the prize.
And in that silence, one heart begins to change from pride to peace.
I am compassion. I live in your small acts when you help, forgive, or smile at someone. Kindness never makes you weak, it makes you human. One smile, one helping hand, one kind word can light another life.
This is the strength I want to give forever.
As the phone lamp faded gently, a new light began to shine in a young heart. Vikram, who once believed trophies made him greater, now saw something far more brighter. His honesty, his kindness, his compassion, and his dream are the true victory of life. Even though the trophy was missing, the light inside of him was found.
Even the trophy is missing. I am still happy. From today, I will dream even bigger for my future and also want to help others to succeed because winning alone is not victory. Winning together is.
Hey Vikram, I know you are sad. Everybody was waiting to see you get the trophy.
No, Kabir, it's okay. A trophy can be lost, but not what I have learned today. Next time, we will together work hard and win the trophies together.
Together? Really?
Yes, from now onwards, we will rise together because my dream is not only for me, but for all of us.
Now, tell me children, what is true light?
It is not the light of faith.
It is not the light of trophy, but a light of good values.
Keep them burning and no darkness can defeat you.
In that moment, the proud boy becomes a humble leader and the missing trophy no longer felt like a loss. The student has not only seen the light on stage, but they had found it inside their heart.
Go on Arjun, lead with your light.
My friends, today our trophy is lost, but victory is only a shining metal or the values we learn together.
No, Arjun, I was wrong. The real prize isn't that shining metal, but what we just found inside us.
Look, we found it. It was hidden behind the curtain. Maybe someone had kept it there to test us.
Oh students, you have passed the test beautifully. Today, this trophy isn't just a medal, it's a mirror of your soul.
We will walk with patience. We will turn dream into action. We will live with honesty and we will share compassion.
The true victory in life is not the one which shines outside, but the one which lights inside. Today, these students found something far more brighter than the light. School is not a place to learn lessons. It is a place to learn life.
Take pledge. Let us be the light
Let us be the light.
where there is darkness.
Where
there is darkness.
Let us live with patience.
Let us live with patience,
Dream, honesty, and compassion.
and compassion.
Thank you.
The performers are appreciated for delivering a thoughtful message with charm and clarity. Kindly join us in applauding the performers for their splendid performance.
Hello everyone. I am study today because our super cool crazy boys are here to bring their dreams to life on stage. Full of hope, and these boys may be small, but their dreams are sky high. Please welcome our UKG boys with their joyful performance on Dreamers.
Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Yes to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Yes to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. Gather round now, look at me. Respect and love the only way. If you wanna come, come with me. The door is open every day. This 1+2 rendezvous, all in body. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, cause we can see it. Yes to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Yes to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. We are the dreamers, they make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Yes to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Yes to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah.
Let's give them a round of applause filled with love and heartfelt appreciation to the UKG boys for their enthusiastic and inspiring performance. Their joyful expression and bright energy brought a charming celebration of dream and hope to the stage.
Hi everyone, I am feeling so proud because UKG girls are ready to show that even tiny steps can carry big dreams. We are dancing to Yes We Can, Yes I Can, because girls with courage can move mountains just like my mama says. Please welcome our UKG girls with their joyful
start my day. Yes, we can. I shine my light in a special way. Yes, we can. Step by step, I'll reach my goal. Yes, we can. I've got the magic in my soul. Yes, we can. Who can dream? Yes, we can. Who can shine? Yes, I can. Who can grow and see it through? Yes, we can. Yes, I can. Me and you. Yes. When I stumble, I rise again. Yes, we can. Every challenge can turn to win. Yes, we can. Hand in hand, together we're strong. Yes, we can. We've got the power to keep moving on. Yes, we can. Who can dream? Yes, we can. Who can shine? Yes, we can. Who can grow and see it through? Yes, we can. Yes, I can. Me and you. Yes, yes, we can. Yes, I can. Me and you. Clap, clap, stand up tall. Stomp, stomp, we can do it all. Clap, clap, voices loud and clear. Stomp, stomp, the magic's here. Yes, we can. Yes, I can. Who can dream? We can. Yes, yes, I can. Who can dream? Yes, we can. Who can shine? Yes, I can. Who can grow and see it through? Yes, we can. Yes, I can. Me and you. Yes, yes, we can. Yes, I can. And so we can. Yes, I can.
Warm appreciation and huge round of applause is what the Little Princess of UKG deserve for their inspiring and adorable performance. Their joyful energy and confident expression brought a fresh wave of positivity and delight to the stage.
Good evening, everyone. I am super excited because the next performance is by my own class first. We have practiced so much that even the school grounds know our steps.
We are dancing to energetic Telugu song that will like sunshine and fill the stage with happiness.
With the boys' fun and the girls' grace, class first creates pure magic.
Get ready for joy, rhythm and lively music. Here come our class first dancers.
అమ్మాయి మనసులో అబ్బాయి దూరేసి కితకితలై పెట్టేస్తే ఏమైతాది?
మంచి బీట్ వస్తుంది పిచ్చి పాట వస్తుంది హోయ్ 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 రాయే రాయే నా రాకాసే నువ్వే బయటేసి అట్టా దోపేస్తే ఆపులేసి పోదే పోదే పప్పు తాపులేసి పోదే పోదే పప్పు
రారో రారో నా శివ కాసి అగ్గి రాజేసి సిగ్గు పెంచేస్తే టాపులేసి పోతే పోతే పొప్పు టాపులేసి పోతే పోతే పొప్పు
చెట్టు మీద మ్యాంగోలా నువ్వెంత చక్కగున్నావే
చాకు లాంటి పిల్లాడే ఎంత షార్పుగున్నాడే
చాకొచ్చి మ్యాంగో కోస్తే టాపులేసి పోతే గన్నే కొట్టాబంటే టాపులేసి పోతే ముద్దే పెట్టాబంటే
టాపులేసి పోతే అయ్యే పట్టాపట్టే టాపు టాపు టాపులేసి పోతే రో
not a my song. This is the boss song. ఎర్ర చొక్కానే నీకోసం వేసాను సర్రమంటూ ఫారిన్స్ అంటే కొట్టాను గళ్ళ లుంగిని ట్రెండీగా కట్టాను కళ్ళ జోడెత్తి నీకోసం వచ్చాను అమ్ముడు లెట్స్ డు కుమ్ముడు
ఎర్ర చీరేమో ఈ రోజే కొన్నాను నల్ల జాకెట్ నైట్ అంతా కుట్టాను బాలు జల్లోన మందారం పెట్టాను కన్నె ఒళ్ళంతా సింగారం చుట్టాను పిల్లడు లెట్స్ డు కుమ్ముడు
ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ప్రొఫైల్ పిక్చర్ లాగా భలే మస్తుందని అందం మల్లెత్తిగా
ఆ డిస్కవరీ ఛానల్ లో చేసింగ్ లాగా అలా పై పైకి దూకేకు సింహం లాగా
అమ్ముడు లెట్స్ డు కుమ్ముడు
Let's give them a big blockbuster round of applause to Class 1 dancer for their lovely and adorable performance. Their energy, coordination and joyful expression brought colors and enthusiasm to the stage, leaving the audience delighted.
Ladies and gentlemen, respected dignitaries and dear parents, we now reach a moment of honor. With deep respect, we invite our esteemed guest, Mr. Gajendra Singh Thakur, IAS, Additional Collector, and Mrs. Dr. Parinita Thakur, Gynecologist, District Hospital, Sukma, to please come on the stage and present the proficiency certificate to our dear students. With great pride, I invite Soumya Bothra, Ananya Daro, Priyanka Muchaki, Anusha Sodi, Bhumika Kularya, Dipti Manjhi, Vayu Vashnikar, and Muskan Yadav to come on the stage. With great pride, we now commence the proficiency certificate and rank holder ceremony. A young scholar whose quiet brilliance speaks louder than applause. We invite Soumya Bothra, securing an impressive 94.66% and achieving second rank in this district. Starting our celebration with Little Star, whose dedication shines from far beyond his years, inviting Adarsh Pandey, securing a remarkable 95.11% to step onto the stage. I request Adarsh Pandey to come on the stage and receive his felicitation ceremony. Next, we honor a child who carries calm focus and quiet brilliance. Please welcome Asleen Grace Topo with an outstanding 98.5%. Thank you, Asleen, for showing us the beauty of steady dedication. Our next achiever stands just as a whisper away from perfection, inviting Dimple Chandak, who secured an exceptional 99%. Thank you, Dimple, for raising the bar with such grace. With a sharp mind and a determined heart, this child makes learning look effortless. Please welcome Duti Patel, scoring 98.25%. A young learner who grows with quiet confidence, we invite Trishan Nitesh Parchake to the stage for his impressive 97.68%. Thank you, Trishan, for being a steady source of inspiration. With calm focus and sincere effort, we shine through the year, calling Abhishek Patel, securing a proud 96.03%. Thank you, Abhishek, for reflecting such dedication. A student who blends maturity with excellence. Please welcome Mansi Patel, standing tall with 98.9%. Always steady, always sincere, always moving forward. Inviting Indu Markam with a strong 94%. Thank you, Indu, for your beautiful perseverance. A gentle achiever whose growth shines through effort, calling Nidhi Kashyap, securing 86.75%. Thank you, Nidhi, for showing us that progress is such a courageous journey. With resilience as her strength and discipline as her guide, we welcome Hiteshwin Markam, scoring 77.36%. Thank you, Hiteshwin, for your sincere determination. A refined performer with graceful maturity, inviting Sheikh Mehak, who earns a proud 92.67%. Thank you, Mehak, for carrying yourself with such calm commitment. A student who leads with intellect and quiet confidence. Please welcome Sana Nisha, securing 93.75%. Thank you, Sana, for shining with such composed excellence. Inviting Adarsh Pandey, scoring a remarkable 95.11% to step onto the stage. Thank you, Adarsh, for inspiring us with such a bright beginning. And with that, we conclude this segment of honor and celebration. On behalf of our institution, we request the gracious presence of Manager Reverend Father Jason and Principal Reverend Sister Samarpita to present a memento to our honored guests as a symbol of thankfulness and appreciation. Each of these young achievers remind us that success is not an accident, but a beautiful blend of effort, discipline, and never-ending curiosity to learn. Now, I would like to invite Reshma Kasim Ma'am, APC, to please felicitate the outgoing batch of Class 10 from the last 3 years, from 2022-23 to 2024-25 batch. A young scholar whose quiet brilliance speaks louder than applause. We invite Soumya Bothra, securing an impressive 94.66% and achieving second rank in the district in 2022-23 batch. Thank you, Soumya, for setting such a remarkable standard of excellence. A graceful achiever who blends hard work with humility. Please welcome Ananya Daro with 92.5% and the proud 4th rank in the district. Thank you, Ananya, for inspiring us with your consistent brilliance. A student who moved forward with quiet strength and sincere effort. We invite Anusha Sodi, securing 87.83% and achieving 7th rank in the district in 2023-24 batch. Thank you, Anusha, for your steadfast pursuit of excellence. A shining star whose discipline elevates her to extraordinary heights. Please welcome Priyanka Muchaki, achieving 98.33%, the 6th rank in the state and proudly the 1st rank in the district in 2024-25 batch. A post-achiever who stands tall with confidence and clarity, inviting Bhumika Kularya, scoring 96.67% and securing 2nd rank in the district in 2024-25 batch. Thank you, Bhumika, for your graceful excellence. A student who carries a calm strength and determined spirit, calling Muskan Yadav with 91.17% and 7th rank in the district in 2024-25 batch. Thank you, Muskan, for reminding us that quiet dedication creates powerful results. Study achievers and young scholars who rises with patience, discipline and inner resolve. We welcome Deepti Manchi and Vayu Vashnikar, securing 89.33% and 9th rank in the district in 2024-25 batch. Thank you, Deepti and Vayu, for your sincere and determined performance. With this, we conclude the felicitation of our rank holders. To honor this special moment, may we request Manager Reverend Father Jason and Principal Reverend Sister Samarpita to graciously present the memento to our esteemed guests on behalf of Mother Teresa School as a token of respect and gratitude. We extend heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Reshma Kasim ma'am and all the distinguished guests for presenting the certificates and trophies and making this moment truly remarkable for our students.
Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. The stage is about to come alive with antics, pranks and playful dialogues that will leave you in split.
Absolutely. Comedy is an art and this youngster are master tonight. Their expressions, gesture and timing are like magic, turning ordinary moments into hilarious memories.
As the saying goes, a day without laughter is a day wasted. Well, get ready to make this evening unforgettable. Presenting a fun-filled, laugh-packed comedy act by our charming duo, Alana Khan and Gitansh Vishwakarma, guarantees to make your hearts light and your cheeks ache from smiling.
हेलो, आपने मुझे फिर कॉल किया? देखो, अभी बहुत हो गया। हफ्ते में 25 बार कॉल कर चुकी हो तुम। अरे मैंने कितने बार समझाया, मैं इंसानों की नहीं जानवरों की डॉक्टर हूँ। आई शपथ, किसी बेवकूफ लोग हैं, मना करने पर भी नहीं मानते। आज वैसे भी मुझे गधे और एक बंदर का सीरियस ऑपरेशन करना था। मुझे पहचानो, कहाँ से आया, मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन। Who are you? कौन हूँ मैं? Who am I? By the way, तुम कौन हो? अरे मैं यहाँ की डॉक्टर हूँ। तो तुमने मुझसे अपॉइंटमेंट ली? अरे तुम मेरे क्लिनिक में आए हो, वो भी बिना अपॉइंटमेंट के। अच्छा, तो तुम मेरे घर नहीं आई हो? नहीं। तो मैं किसकी चेयर पे बैठा हूँ? मेरी। Oh, I'm so sorry, so sorry. Excuse me, have a seat. वैसे तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? नाम? मेरा नाम है? हाँ। भूल गया। मैं ये भूल जाता हूँ, मैं वो भूल जाता हूँ, मैं सब भूल जाता हूँ। That's a problem. ये लो पैसे और मेरा इलाज करो। ए, उठा तेरे पैसे और बाहर जा। Get out. मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता। हाय। अरे ओ, ये तुम्हारे फेंके हुए पैसे हैं। मैंने फेंके? कब? अरे भुलक्कड़ बंदर, बताओ तुम कौन हो? पढ़ने आता है? हाँ। आँख बंद करो। क्यों? मैंने कहा ना आँख बंद करो। ये आँख होते हैं क्या? पता नहीं। अरे दीवानो,
मुझे पहचानो, कहाँ से आया मैं?
ओह, तो तुम गजनी हो?
हाँ, शायद। कौन हूँ मैं?
बताओ तुम्हें क्या हुआ है?
अरे बोला ना, पाँव में मोच है।
कौन से पैर में?
इस पैर में।
ये तो हाथ है।
ओह, गलती हो गया यार, मैंने पाँव में हाथ लिख दिया।
अब मैं समझी, तुम्हें भूलने की बीमारी है।
भूलने की? तुम्हें कैसे पता चला?
I'm so right.
हाँ, you're right.
Yes, I'm right.
हाँ, right.
वैसे अरे ये तुम्हारे हाथ पर क्या लिखा है? हॉर्न ओके प्लीज, टाटा ओके बाय बाय। अरे ये सब तो ट्रक पर लिखते हैं।
हाँ, मुझे एक ट्रक की तलाश है।
क्यों?
5 साल पहले जब बरसात की रात में माथे पर सूरज था, तभी एक पीछे से ऑटो वाला आया और मुझे टक्कर मार दी। मैं सब भूल गया और मैं उस दिन से उस ट्रक की तलाश कर रहा हूँ।
अरे तुमने तो कहा ऑटो था, फिर ट्रक क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो?
अरे 5 साल में जब मैं इतना बड़ा हो गया तो क्या ऑटो नहीं बड़ा होगा?
Good evening, everyone. The stage is ready and our hearts are cheering. Let the fun begin. Our class starts a rehearsal to prove that dance is pure joy. As someone said, जो नाच में खो जाए वो टेंशन भूल जाए. Tiny feet, bright smiles and cool as to moves are on the way. Presenting the super fun, high energy group dance by class second.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así. La Francia, Colombia, me gusta Freeze. Y Balvin, Willy William, me gusta Freeze. Los DJ no mienten, le gusta a mi gente y eso se fue muy bien. No le bajamos, mas nunca paramos, es otro palo y blanco. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? Me fue a bouger la tête. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? Say yeah, yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, luego. झंझट भाई तेरा हुल सेट है मुझे भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे
such confidence, such charm. Let's honor their efforts with warm applause from entire audience. To class, to performers for bringing playful charm and joyful energy to the stage. Their lively expression, friendly banter, and spirited dance made the audience smile throughout the performance.
Some performances feel like a heartbeat, steady, bold, and filled with dreams. And today, we celebrate that spirit through two powerful songs.
Yes, because every young dreams begins with a courage. एक जिंदगी मेरी 100 ख्वाहिशा reminds us that life gives us one chance, but our wishes can be endless. And then comes the fairy beat of I'm Unstoppable Today, where hope turns into strength. So let the music lift you and the rhythm spark your energy, presenting a vibrant song performance on Ek Zindagi Meri 100 Khwahisha and Unstoppable.
सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे हैं साड़ी अखियां ने ऐसा
सपने अंबरा दे, ऐ सपने अंबरा दे। बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे, फिर नाल समंदरा दे, फिर नाल समंदरा दे। ऐसी ऐठे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना कब हमको तो, ऐसी जिद्दते अड़े जुनूनी बड़े है दिल के निबोल। एक जिंदड़ी मेरी तो ख्वाहिशा, एक एक मैं पूरी करा। एक जिंदड़ी मेरी तो ख्वाहिशा, एक एक मैं पूरी करा। एक जिंदड़ी मेरी तो ख्वाहिशा, मुश्किल हमें रोकना। शहरों जैसे बन जाएंगे लगने दे जो छोटे छोटे रास्ते गलियां दे, ऐ रास्ते गलियां दे। फूलों की तरह महकेंगे हौले हौले यारो, एक दिन मौसम गलियां दे, ऐ मौसम गलियां दे। अभी न जाने कोई पहचाने कोई है क्या अपना बोल। ऐसी जिद्दते अड़े जुनूनी बड़े है दिल के निबोल। एक जिंदड़ी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशा, एक एक मैं पूरी करा। एक जिंदड़ी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशा, एक एक मैं पूरी करा। एक जिंदड़ी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशा, मुश्किल हमें रोकना। रात है गजले वाली दूर बड़ी दीवाली, दीवे ढूंढे अखियां। दिल वाले घोंसले में पंछी बना के यारो, हमने उम्मीदां रखियां। मैंने हारना नहीं है, चाहे कुछ भी करे ये दुनिया। तद्धुम 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 धा, तद्धुम 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 धा, तद्धुम 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 धा, तद्धुम 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 धा, तद्धुम 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 तद्धुम।
Such a lovely, energetic, heartfelt singing and graceful dance by our dear performers. Let's give them a round of applause filled with love and happiness.
Tonight, we honor the heartbeat of our old land, Chhattisgarh, 25 shining years of courage, culture and pride. And what the better tribute to the silver jubilee than a dance that carries the scent of our soil.
Class 6 is all set to take us into those folk rhythms where every step feels like a festival. When they dance, it feels as if the fields and forests were with them. अबर चमके है छत्तीसगढ़, अबर नाचे हैं हमारे लोगन. Presenting the vibrant Chhattisgarhi folk dance by Class 6, celebrating 25 proud years of Chhattisgarh.